What we're going to be doing here today is we're going to be replacing a handle on a toilet that broke. It broke right here. So we're going to replace this handle with this handle that we bought. We're going to replace it with this. And the easiest way to do this is to go ahead and turn the water off to the toilet. And I don't know. And once you turn it off, then you go ahead and you let the water out of the tank while lifting up the flapper. I have to lift it with my hand because the handle's broke, so it won't lift like it's supposed to. And what this does, if you have to replace the whole chain, you can put your hand down in there without getting water and everything else on it. So first thing at first, I'm probably going to use the same chain because there's nothing wrong with it. And you unhook the chain from the handle. You can just drop that down in the water. Then there's a nut that holds the handle in. And it's reverse threaded, so instead of going to the left to loosen it, you're gonna turn it to the right. Take that out. You take your new one. Most of them come with washers on it. That's these black washers. Your tank shouldn't get that high where water comes out of it, so, but as they just put that in there to seal it up. So you take that, you take off the nut, and you take off the washer, the rubber washer. You insert the handle, and you put the washer back on. And once you have that on, turn your water back on. Once you got water all the way in the tank, then you're ready to test it and see if it works. And that's all to it. Take you less than 5 minutes to finish it. And depending on what type of toilet you have, there's universal handles that you can buy. So, like I said, it's pretty easy.